Hi children, how are you all? Welcome to another session. So we already completed our lessons till lesson 5, right? So today we are going to start a new lesson, new topic, new thing, yes? So every lesson is different, every topic is different, so every day is different. So we have to keep on learning. There is no end to the learning. So welcome back to another session. Today we are going to start lesson 6. Lesson 6, face to face. Yes, I know because of the COVID, I am not able to interact with you face to face because you are at home, I am at school. Yes, so it kind of came, distance came between us. But when we are in the class, I can interact you, I can speak to you, I can talk to you face to face. Yes or no? So while talking on the telephone also, do you talk face to face? No. You know, you are in an acharam and whoever the person you are speaking might be in some other place, some other country. Yes? So that is not face to face conversation over the phone or over the camera. Yes? So when the person sits with us, we talk them, seeing their face, it's called face to face. Yes? So understood? So we are going to start lesson 6, face to face. So it is in the page number 34, children. So keep your textbooks, pencil and eraser. Okay? So already we learned what is face to face, right? You see, we are not able to interact with face to face, but I know you are listening to me, you are seeing me, you are learning. Hope everything is going well. So whenever I am trying to communicate with you over the video, over the online learning, so the interaction, it is not clear, it won't be clear. I know because we cannot do this because this COVID is a very dangerous virus. See, even few people come in one single room, it may affect all. So we have to be very careful in order to have a full academic year, in order to have a full learning, full course of this class. So in Kamala Memorial School have taken the initiative of online learning classes. But when we are in the classroom, it is quite different, right? We discuss so many things. Yes. So we are not. I am in the class taking you an online class, right? And I can tell you my view of my point of view, right? I can tell you this is what I think children about anything. When we are in the class, we can discuss, right? So during face to face is very advantageous also. So it kind of the communication will be clear between two people or one to many people. Yes, communication will be very clear. So let's see what is this face to face in this lesson. Okay. So I hope you are ready with the textbook, children. So be ready with 34. Let's see. I'm seeing few pictures here like children sitting, playing games. And there is another picture, family is sitting and having a feast, a big meal. And in another picture, page number 35, children, I am seeing different colors. There are different colors, different dresses. What is it? It's all about lesson. So let's discuss about this. Okay. Before I start a lesson, there is a little warm-up exercise is given. So let's deal with it and then we will move on to the lesson. Our world is amazing and its people are fun to know. Yes, we see different kinds of people. Different in the change of color, yes, size, shape, language, yes, culture, traditions. Yes, so India is so for example, we will take our country only, okay? Because we are seeing our country very close, so let's talk about our country. India is, we are united. Even though there is a diversity, there is a different changes in the languages, cultures, traditions, but we are all united. It is called unity in diversity. We are all unity. Unity means we are united. Where you are united, still there is a diversity. Diversity means difference in the languages, cultures, traditions, everything, dresses, festivals, yes, different religions, different beliefs, so many gods. So if you talk about India, we can talk about like days and days, right? There is no end. So fun to know. See, so world is an amazing. Its people is fun to know. It is fun to know. So if I meet a new people, let's say I am one particular religion. I follow one particular religion. The other person will follow another religion. They have their own festivals. They have their own language. They have their own food. See, we don't follow them, but we appreciate them. Different languages also. Mainly, let's say I am eating rice, dal, curry. You know, the other person who is an mother tongue is another language. Let's say Marathi. Her food, culture, tradition, everything will be different. But you know, I like their few dishes like methi ka paratha, methi ki puri, kachori, dokla. They have their own style of food. I like to taste it and appreciate it and know the people who are living with us. Yes or no? Yes. It is good to explore different countries. We are talking about India only. But nowadays people are very curious to know about people of different countries. Nowadays, you see, for past decade, like 10 years, more than 10 years I should say, people are for the sake of education, for the sake of employment, for the sake of job, for the sake of family, they are also moving other countries, not only in India. There are olden days where people used to settle in only one place. They were never used to go to other state also. Because of the education and employment, so many reasons they are moving to other states. Now people are moving to other countries also. You know, for example, they are going on the sake of education, but they are learning other than education, other than their college, they are learning more, meeting new people. Yes or no? That is a good thing. Yes? Let's see. And people living there. It is very interesting, children. Definitely you have to explore world, meet new people. See, if you go to a different place for a picnic or a vacation, you appreciate that place. Yes, you appreciate the people, you appreciate the culture. You should know all this. Not only you should know about your neighborhood, your family. First know about your family, be with your family, then your neighborhood, your city, your state, your country, then different countries. Is there any end to know, to explore? Yes, there is no end. Let's see. We will discuss in the class. So, this lesson is what it is all about. It is about the people of different countries. So, let's see what it is. I like to go around the world. So, who is I here? What is I here? Who is I? I means whoever the poetess, whoever wrote this poem. Who wrote this poem? If you observe in the page number 35, end of the poem, it is written Anita E. Posi. So, she is expressing her feelings. Yes, so she is, in order to, not only you should keep your feelings inside, you should able to express it. That is the beauty of the poet and poetess. Yes, so Anita here, the author or the poetess of this poem, she is expressing her views, her feelings about people of different countries. So let's see. I like to go around the world. She wants to explore the world and get a chance to see. She wants that chance to see. Even if you ask children, I'm like her only. I really like to explore the world. I want to see the boys and girls of other lands. So she wants to know the boys and girls of other lands and let them all see me. So I want to see them, they have to see me. When it will happen? It happens when we do the people of other people and we come face to face. Yes or no? Yes or no? So when we came to face only, we feel that. Okay, I want to see the other boys and girls of other land, and they have to see me also. They have to learn. Why I am dressed up like this? Why I am eating food like this? So one girl is there, my friend. She is from other state actually. She is my best friend. She asked me, Shrivali, how come you are eating rice every day? Don't you get bored? Then I asked her question. How come you are eating more chapati? You are not at all eating rice. Then why we are eating rice here? Because it is our staple food. Telangana, it is a hot place. Only rice is more available here. See, in order to farmer to yield the wheat crop, the climate should be cold. But this is a hot place. In Telangana, mainly rice is grown. So we are habituated to that rice. So we came to face and shared our culture, tradition, food and everything. We are trying to get to know each other. Yes or no, children? She wants to know about me and I want to know about her. So that is how a conversation takes place. Yes, I like to meet them face to face. I want to meet them face to face. If they will meet them face to face, they will see me and I will see them. Yes, and get to know their names. I want to know their names also. See, our Hindu names will be different, religion will have different names. Like in a particular style will be there. If you go to the, want to name the names of other countries, their names will be different. Difference in the names also. Not only in the tradition, cultures, food, dressing, festivals. There is a difference in the accent. We may be speaking English, they may be speaking English, but our accent is different. Yes or no? Yes. They want to know their names also. So she is so curious that she wants to know the names of the boys and girls of other land. I like to sit and talk with them. So she wants to sit and talk with them and learn to play their games. Probably she is bored of her games that she is playing from her childhood. She wants to play their games. Some games like chess and what else? One board game is also there, Pachisi. All they are invented in India only. See, whatever the children you are playing that PUBG is a game. Few children they are playing. Have you heard about it? It is game of other country only. But we should not never addict to particular game. Should try to explore the world. We won't sit with one thing and spend our rest of our life. We should not settle like that. Okay? I would like to visit in their homes. She wants to go to their homes also. Their family life to share. So, how is their family life? So, if you want to know your friend's family life, you have to go to their home. Yes or no? Then you will observe everything. observing the house, observing the people, how they are talking, what they are eating. Yes or no? I like to taste the food they eat. Even I want to taste that food. How curious she is. Curiosity, see. Her curiosity gave her so many feelings. She wants to meet new people. She wants to know their names. She wants to go to their homes. How is their life? What they are going to eat? How they are going to dress? She is so curious about it. See, curiosity give us so many ideas. Yes or no? And see the clothes they wear. See every dresses of different countries, different people. Even that is very interesting, my children. Yes, I like to get to know them well. If you want to know a person, you have to come face to face. You have to spend time with them. What they are eating, what clothes they are wearing, what are their tastes, what are their mentality, what are their traditions, cultures. So people of different countries, they can be best friends also. See, there are people who are passionate about taking vacations and go exploring different parts of the world. Whatever they have earned in their life, they will spend on their vacation only. They explore new things. They don't care about food. They don't care about transport. They don't about anything. They can sleep on the floor also. Whatever the food is available, they eat. But you will hear some news on the newspapers, magazines, on the TV also. People explore different places. I heard one person, they are exploring the country with using bicycle only. They are not taking any other means of transport. There are people really just using the cycle, taking few clothes, with little money, exploring the world. But while exploring, you should be very careful. You have to do so many preparations because you have to take care of so many things. If you are alone, if you are exploring, so there are pre-planning is important. Okay? Like we have to take emergency first aid kit, medicines, water should be kept. So they will take care of all those things, but you should appreciate their interest of exploring the world. I like to get to know them well before my journey ends. So what is a journey? Journey is it? So whenever during the summer holidays you go to our place and you come up after 10 days. So first thing what is the person will ask you, oh, how is your journey? Is it good? So if let's say for example, my relative came to my house from, let's say, Vijayawada. She started in the morning and she came night. So as soon as I see her, oh, how is your journey? Is it good? Journey is a long trip from one place to another place. Yes, that is the journey. For only when you know someone. For only when you know someone. So when the journey will end, for only when you know someone. Can he become your friend? Can he become your friend? So when my journey will end? Journey will end when I know someone. See, some people will be very friendly. So if let's say I go to other country, for education, doing my masters, I go to that place and we'll mingle each other. Yes or no? So till my journey will end, she's saying her journey will end till she meets one person Can he be your friend? Okay children, so we have done 4 stanzas till now. So hope you are clear with the poem. So in the next session, I will try to recap the 4th stanza and continue with the next stanza in the next page. So hope you are understood this. Today's homework would be read the poem once. Very small poem and very interesting, very easily, nothing new. See, because if you see the poem, they have given you one new word for you. See how simple it is. The poem is, we can also, even by seeing the poem, even I thought I should write one poem. That easily the poet wrote. Okay, try to read in the next session, we will continue and finish the lesson. Okay, see you children, thank you.